Welcome to Keith's WordPress tutorial, where I show you how to find plugins and themes for your WordPress website. You want to know how to do this so that you can expand the functionality of your site, and when you would like to, change the way your website looks. So there's a couple of basic ways to go about this. One, you can go to Google and search for WordPress plugins. And the first one that comes up is going to be your WordPress.org extend plugins. This is actually a search directory that we're going to look at here in a minute. But I also wanted you to know that there are other databases of plugins and that you're going to find some pay plugins as well by doing this. So Google is always a useful tool. However, I tend to find most of my plugins and themes through this directory at wordpress.org. Almost all developers will link their projects through this particular database. So anything that you need to find for your website, you're going to tend to find here. Let's say that you want to add a PayPal shopping cart, or we just want to do some e-commerce. So you go in here and you search for e-commerce, or whatever it is you're searching for, and it's going to give you a list of options. And each one of these is a different plugin that is related to the e-commerce. And the reason it comes up in the search is because of the tags down here. So just because it says e-commerce doesn't mean it's going to be a shopping cart, and just because it's a shopping cart doesn't mean it's going to be one that you want to get. So be sure to look at the ratings, look at the number of downloads as well. A lot of downloads and a very high rating is typically a good sign. Very low number of downloads with no ratings, well, that's a little kind of iffy. So this is how you can go and find pretty much any way to update your website. And there's all kinds of social media things in here that you can use to interact with YouTube or MySpace or Facebook. There's all kinds of RSS syndication feeds and options. There's a lot of different ways to integrate your images. You can set up a photo gallery, a photo blog, by going and finding this plugin. Yet another photo blog. And this particular plugin, check it out, almost 84,000 downloads with 4 stars, and there's a lot of other development that goes with this. So you're going to be able to find your top plugins over here. It says most popular, and you can get a list of all the pretty much the ones that you're going to want on your phone or on your website. And same with the themes. You're going to be able to go and extend, and you can find themes in the same area. And again, there's a most popular list, there's a search, and it's pretty much self-explanatory from there. You simply go and whatever file it is you need to grab, you click on it, you save it, and then you unzip it typically, and then you FTP it up to your WordPress website. And from that point you simply activate it. So that's as easy as it can get for upgrading your site, finding new information, and staying current. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.